front and on the side where you can collect petitions to take home with you, as well as sign up to volunteer. Thank you, everybody. And M-I! 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 Thank you, folks.
Jim Powers, everybody. One more round of applause for Jim. You know, we protect pediatric patients in our law, in our MILegalize proposal. We also promote industrial hemp. We have a specialist in industrial hemp on our board of directors, and I'd like to introduce him to you right now. His name is Stephen Sharp. Please give it up for Steve Sharp.
It was always hemp for victory.
Yeah!
And we need to do that today too. These are jobs. This is an industry that Michigan needs.
Yeah!
I was able to go through this house right here, in the House of Representatives, and get some sponsors and co-sponsors in a record amount of time, and we passed a law which removed it from the Controlled Substance Act in Michigan. So hemp is now removed from that act.
Yeah!
On top of that, we can do research in Michigan on industrial hemp, but they neglected to put any rules in there. So Michigan State is not able to do any research on it. They're still trying to hinder us from this plant here in Michigan.
Grow it anyway.
So what we need to do is your representatives back in 2014, there was 110 of them in here, and they all agreed that hemp is good for Michigan.
Yeah!
Hemp for victory. We need this to change Michigan. This can make plastic. Henry Ford built a car out of this. The automobile industry could change in a matter of 2 years. They could start using this. They already are using this in foreign lands.
Hi to Chris. Chris is part of MILegalize too. He's our campaign manager. He's an important guy. Introduce yourself to him, especially if you'd like to be doing petition signature gathering. He is the man.
Woo! Everybody for coming out. We really appreciate the support. A lot of things have already been said. I don't need to go over it again. We know what we need to do. We're going to continue this tonight for those who are in the Detroit metro area at a restaurant called O'Mara's in Berkeley on 12 Mile. We're going to do a live Planet Green Trees broadcast from there and continue to discuss this and have petitions available and hopefully get more people to come out and sign. So please join us if you're from the Detroit area. Let people know about it. And thank you all so much for the support because we're going to do this now because of you. Thank you.
Berkeley, that's where Rob Kiner's from.
Folks, there are so many different events for MILegalize coming up. Town halls where you can come and help educate people and gather petition signatures. Larger events where people are going to be gathering, where we're going to do signature gathering drives. You'll have to keep track of all of those by visiting our MILegalize webpage and our Facebook page as well. Far too many of them to mention right now. But I would like to say this. When you're taking petitions from MILegalize, it's a responsibility. It's a responsibility to follow through on the commitment of getting signatures for those pieces of paper and then making sure that they get returned properly. Follow signature gathering rules, make sure that you're legal and compliant in everything that you do. And if you have any questions at all, contact one of the Legalize Board of Directors members or any of the other state or county organizers that we have. They'll be a great source of information for you. But please remember, we need the returned signatures on the petitions in a regular basis. That way we can verify them and keep an accurate count to know exactly what we have left to do. Folks, I would love to say that we have a lot more to talk about because we do, but it's time to go. I'd like you to give yourselves a round of applause for attending today. Thank you very much. Folks, one more round of applause for the MILegalize Board of Directors members. How about all of those people out there on the street that are collecting signatures as we speak? Give them a round of applause. County leaders, if you could.
Oh, okay.
We can stand on the steps here to get a little more height so everybody's more compact.
I've been trying to catch up. Oh, yeah, hell yeah. It's there. I've been running away from you.
There's no need to fear.
We have 15 in the picture.
There we go. Now the party can start.
There we go.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Dakota.
All right, I'm free to say we.
Wait, what do you
come stand next to me, brother. Come on.
And I'm pretty sure we're all on the federal no-fly list now.
And some of us weren't already. Some of us weren't already.
Way to win! Way to win! Way to win! Coming to a town near you.
Channel 7, where's 2 and 4?
I got the highest feeling.
They're bigotry and hypocrisy. They do it behind closed doors. Share, share, share a lot.
Thanks, everybody.